back to It's Pouring Paint. Today I am going to try a bloom. I have wanted to do one of these for a very, very long time. I think they're absolutely beautiful when done properly, but I didn't have silicone, and I didn't have Amsterdam titanium white, so I wasn't doing it at that point. But I have just purchased silicone, so I am going to go and try to see what this bloom is going to look like. I have seen a bunch of them done, but honestly, I'm just going to go with my gut and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to start by putting the paint onto the canvas. Oh. Okay, and this one is my cell activator right here that I put the silicone in. You know what, I'm going to try the low setting on the hair dryer. Nope, that is not working, so let's try the breath. Okay, so I'm going to let the paint settle a little bit down into the middle again. I'm not seeing a whole lot of cell action here, so I'm just waiting to see if anything is going to happen. Maybe I'm starting to see a bit. The colors are interesting, that's for sure. And in a minute, I'm just going to start stretching these, or I'm going to heat it, I'm going to torch it, and then I'm going to start stretching these designs a bit to flow over. So what I'm waiting for is the paint to settle back down into the middle. I'm just going to torch it a little bit. Interesting. I'm going to just try and break up this solid piece. So this isn't looking anything like I had thought it was. Let me just go ahead and start tilting. Maybe it's a different consistency in paints. I don't know. Well, one has Liquitex in it, and most of them have Floetrol in it. See, the middle's not moving. It wasn't bouncing back enough. See, it's still not moving, just the outsides of it. So I'm unsure of how this is going to turn out. This is my first attempt at a, oh shoot, a bloom. I'm going to say that it probably didn't go as well as I had hoped. Although we do see some stretching of some cells. We will see how it turns out. Sorry, I'm trying to remember to keep you in view. Now, this may be why also they mostly do blooms with the white titanium, Amsterdam titanium. This could be it, because this doesn't look anything like I was looking for. Also, a lot of them that I saw do have a spin table. See, this is not at all what I was expecting. Sorry guys, I failed on this one. I'll have to take another, I might not even have enough paint on here. That could be why. So you know what? All right, I'm gonna start again. So this time I'm going to put this in the middle. And we are going to see what we can do. And just a touch of black. I'm spitting at people. And by I say people, I mean my daughter. I can actually feel my hair in it. Yep, I could. So yeah, now I've got an even bigger mess. But that's okay. This time I'm thinking it probably will be able to stretch over the edges. This is so interesting. I have got something in the technique wrong. Because it's like a river ran through it. It has nothing to do with what the end result that I was looking for. Huh. Right. So, as you can see, it's a muffle of colors. And you know what I'm going to do? You're probably going to hate me, but it's going to take me a little bit longer. I'm not finished with this painting. In fact, I'm going to do something. I'm going to make it into a Dutch pour. Now this is just going to put a lot more paint on here, but it seems to be okay. I needed more paint on this tiny canvas than what I had. And now because I'm going to do a Dutch pour, I'm going to put white around it. And I'm getting everything dirty because my hands are dirty. Alrighty. Let's do this. Okay, I'm just going to hold for a second or two and let the silicone work in there, as you can see. I might even give it a little torch in a minute. All right, let's blow it out. So, that was very interesting, guys. So it looks now like in a massive explosion with this color massive explosion in the middle. So I went from I don't know to I don't know to I don't know. So basically, I don't know. Now if you want to, I'm just going to give it some, do a little bit of a torch. Okay, so basically here it is. This is my bloom, which doesn't look like a bloom. Granted, I need some more education on it, but the cells are kind of something else, and everything else is something else too. So if you want to get a close-up on that, I'm going to leave that as my final piece and probably laugh about it 10 years from now, remembering my first attempt at a bloom. And I got an explosion of cells. Not what I was looking for, but at the same time, what can you do? It is kind of neat. I'm going to keep it. If you liked watching this, and I really enjoyed doing it with you, if you liked it, please subscribe. Put the bell on. I try to get at this at least once a week, if not more. And I love everyone who comes and watches. I'm a beginner and I'm just trying along with everyone else, and I hope you enjoyed it. Be good to yourself, be good to others. We will catch you on the flip side. Bye.